Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're taking a closer look at a really interesting GitHub project, n8n-io.
Ah, yes. It's been making some serious waves.
Definitely. So let me ask you, are you ever kind of caught between wanting that speed of visual automation builders, but needing the full power of code for your workflows?
All the time. It's a classic trade-off many technical teams face. Speed versus control?
Exactly. And what if you could actually have both, plus native AI, and keep total control over your own data?
Okay, now you're talking. That sounds like the sweet spot.
Well, that's pretty much what n8n is aiming for. It's this fair code workflow automation platform.
Fair code. Interesting term. But yeah, it really does try to blend that visual building, drag and drop style with custom code execution.
And it's clearly resonating. I mean, it's one of the top 150 projects on GitHub, over 117,000 stars last I checked.
Wow. Okay, so the community buy-in is huge.
Yeah.
What's the core of that blend then? How does it actually work?
Well, they call it hybrid development. It's not just that you can add code like JavaScript or Python snippets. It's how smoothly you can integrate it. You can drop in a full custom script, pull in NPM packages right alongside the visual nodes.
Gotcha. So complex business logic or, say, hitting a niche API doesn't force you out of the platform.
Exactly. It all stays within that single workflow view. Pretty neat.
And you mentioned AI. That's obviously massive right now.
Yeah, and this is where it gets really interesting, I think. They position n8n as an AI native platform.
Okay, AI native. What does that mean in practice? Different from just like plugging into OpenAI's API.
Right. It suggests it's built, from the ground up with AI orchestration in mind. So you can build these quite sophisticated multi-step AI agent workflows.
Multi-step agents,
Uh,
like using LangChain or similar frameworks?
Yeah, even based on things like LangChain, and crucially, using your own data and models.
Ah, okay. That your own data part is key. So privacy control.
Totally. And that ties into the self-hosting aspect. You have the option to self-host the entire platform.
The whole thing, including any AI models you're using.
Yep. Complete data sovereignty, which is huge for compliance or just keeping proprietary data safe.
Definitely. Plus, I assume it connects to other things too. It can't live in a vacuum.
Oh, absolutely. It's packed. Over 400 integrations are built in, and something like 900 templates to get you started quickly.
900 templates.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so getting up and running is pretty fast then.
Seems like it. Which kind of brings us back to that core dilemma you mentioned earlier, right? Agility versus governance.
Exactly. How do you move fast without breaking things or losing control, especially in larger organizations?
And I think that hybrid model is n8n's answer. You can use the visual stuff to prototype fast, get things moving,
Right, for speed and agility.
and then drop down into custom code when you need that really specific logic or more control or, tighter governance around certain steps.
So it bridges that gap. You get the best of both. Developer power and the speed of low-code DESO code.
That seems to be the goal. Empowering technical teams without forcing them into one extreme or the other, while keeping control of data and how it's deployed.
And are people actually seeing big results from this approach?
The user stories are pretty impressive, actually. We're hearing about teams taking tasks that genuinely took like 2 weeks of manual work
Okay.
and automating them down to just a couple of hours using n8n.
2 weeks to 2 hours. That's significant.
It really is. Or people saving, say, 200 hours a month across their team. It's not just simple task automation, it's streamlining these quite complex end-to-end workflows. Smart, secure, collaborative efficiency.
That's the kind of ROI that gets attention. So how easy is it to actually, try it out?
Super easy, apparently. You can literally run it instantly from your terminal. Just npx n8n.
npx n8n.
Yeah.
Okay, zero install friction. Nice.
Or, deploy it with Docker in a few minutes if you want a more permanent setup.
Right. And just to visualize it,
Yeah.
you'd be dragging nodes for, say, your CRM and Slack.
Yeah. Connect your apps visually. Maybe trigger something when a new deal closes in the CRM.
And then maybe drop in a Python node right in the middle to do some complex data analysis, or call a custom AI model before posting the summary to Slack.
Precisely. All in one place, visually clear, but with that code power right where you need it.
That does sound pretty compelling. A good balance.
So yeah, if you're looking to kind of unlock that automation potential, bridge that gap we talked about,
Between the visual speed and the deep code control.
then definitely dive deeper. Check out the repo, n8n-io on GitHub. We'll put the link in the description, of course.
Makes sense. Worth exploring if you're in that space.
Absolutely. And hey, if this quick dive helped you discover something new, maybe give us a like.
Yeah, let us know it was useful.
And definitely don't forget to subscribe to The Deep Dive. We try to bring you these shortcuts to staying informed and hopefully ahead of the curve.